Hello and welcome to another version of me, Ferry Old Train Spotter. Today you find me in a nice, hot, sunny thrisk. I'll be doing a few hour or two here because it's too warm and I can't really stand the heat. But so I have never been to this station before. So it's a brand new station for me. It's just down from where I did Northampton a week or two ago. So yeah, today you'll be seeing service by LNER, Cross Country, Transparent Express, Grand Central and some freight. Anything else? It looks like a nice little station. It's two different two platforms, one on each side of the thing, and then there's the main line just there. That's the main line. That's one platform there, and here's the southbound platform towards London. So yeah, I'll be staying here for about like an hour or two, depends on how hot I get. If I can stand the heat, because I just can't stand the heat, especially. But yeah, so let's see what shall turn up here at thrisk. Next service pass through is the Transparent Express cross country service. Well, it'll be the first service of the day for me. I won't be able to get the numbers unless I'm only going to try and scan any numbers. Next service pass through is the Newcastle Liverpool service, TPX. Pardon. Next service to pass through is a linear service from Edinburgh to London's King's Cross. Service. Now I'm sure that was supposed to be after cross country. So that's supposed to be in 11:49. Cross country was supposed to come any minute now. Oh well, that might be next. Cross country service to Newcastle for Plymouth, and that last LNER service, it was 11:07. It was running half an hour late. Got caught up at Doncaster for some reason. But yeah. So the next one should be LNER service to Edinburgh. So we'll see you then. LNER service from London's King's Cross has just been passed. LNER service just gone past London to Edinburgh.
Manchester Oxford Road.
Couldn't get the
couldn't get
because I completely forgot it was coming. But the first stop of the day is the Transparent Express service to Manchester Airport via Leeds, York for Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Manchester Vexley Road and Manchester Piccadilly, Gortley and Manchester Airport. And that's what where it's stopping and all that. It's a 185 server unit. Still using it up here on the Manchester Airport wrecker services. So yeah. And it's like about 30 degrees here. So I'm bloody sweating, sorry about swearing. And on the front it's 185 107. And I'll get the rear on its departure. Part now is a Transparent Express service to Manchester Airport. On the front is 185 107 and 185 119. Next service will be the opposite way around. It'll be a Transparent Express service to Wrecker Central from Manchester Airport, but I won't be able to get the numbers unless I go right down the bottom. So we'll see you in the next clip. Next service arriving is a Transparent Express service off to Wrecker Central. I will get the numbers on its departure. On the front carriage, it is. I'll try it. It's 185 103 on the front, and I'll get the rear on its departure. Departing now is Transparent Express service to Manchester to Redcar Central, 185 103 on the front. And on the rear it's 185 139. Service just past the linear service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen, I think. Next service pass through TPX service to Newcastle from Liverpool. That's TPX service from Liverpool to Newcastle. Next service pass through is the linear service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Running 8 minutes late. Nice little tour on there from the driver, thank you. Right, this will be the last train of the day. It'll be transparent. Will be a cross-country service from Newcastle to Penzance. So before it comes, I'll end the video here. Thank you all for watching. This has been Ferry Transporter with Thrisk. The next video, I don't know where I'll be, but keep an eye on my Facebook group, which is the same place as Ferry Transporter. That's the same name as YouTube. Nice little two-tone from there from the driver, thank you. So that's all from me here at Thrisk. Thank you and goodbye.